4232 closed, southbound, pushing everything off.
Can you come up the lane a bit? She's found a bag up here. Front! Brandy, come here. Can you come up the lane a bit? She's found a bag up here.
Yeah, it's got gear in. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Tango Echo 4-2 to those units. We've just found, I'm not going to put a size on it, but a considerable amount of Class A in a bag, we believe.
It's a couple ounces worth, that, isn't it?
Oh, there's another one underneath as well. Yeah, 100%. We've got two small sandwich bags just full of wraps and another one and pills. So yes, peewits, Class A, please.
Good girl. Good, nice. Good girl. Clever girl.